All right, in this video, we're gonna be installing the reverse lights on the 2020 Kia Telluride. Let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, first things first, we're gonna head and open up the trunk here. Now your reverse lights are going to be up in here, so this is where we have to take down this paneling so that way we can go ahead and put the LEDs right there in the back. Very simple process as far as to do this. So I'm going to come over here. So you're going to locate the handle. Now you're going to see a split right here, and on this split, actually from the back side, you'll fill the slit as well. It's going to be like right here on the top. So the slit runs right here on the top, comes around to right here. So if you apply pressure and then just pull it straight down. This is what it looks like from the top perspective. See, it attaches on just like that. So once you pull down, it will come off, and then you can see the clips just like that. Next, we're going to go ahead and take these two Phillips screws out. Pulling down on the clips here, you'll see you have individual clips. You can use a trim tool that helps that as well. So that way you can go through and pull them all down. Good to take a flashlight as well, just so you can actually make sure you see where all the clips are. Go ahead and pop out your sensor here. That way you don't have to worry about that. Hitting the button. All right, once you have it open, you're gonna see it right on here on this side. This side's gonna have like a red wire, and you're just trying to loosen it and screw it, pull it out. So pull out the factory bulb, put in the new one. All right, that one's in. It's best to look from the back, looking in, but from this side, you have a nice straight angle shot, so that way you can actually see the socket there. All right, now off to this side here, on the right side. Same process as before. Turn to pull out, pop out the old bulb there, take your LED one, go ahead and plug that in, just so you can see the socket, because it comes in at an angle. Go. Got lucky. So there we go. Now what we'll do, so now that that's done, give you a close up here. So that's where it sits on there. It sits at an angle, as you can see. So you just have to, use your fingers. You use some needle nose pliers so that way you can get grip on it to twist it out and turn it. Same setup as obviously the other side. They don't give you a lot of space just because of the trunk itself kind of getting in the way with your fingers, but wasn't too bad. So I tested the lights, no issues, we're good to go. Now we can just go ahead and start popping everything back on. All right, so as you're finishing up, need to make sure, go all the way around, double check everything. Once everything's good, you gotta make sure you get all the ones along the back, which are all right here. Once all that looks good, we go ahead and put our button back in. Buttons in there. Next, we'll go ahead and pop our screws in here. These are the Phillips screws. Just until they stop. I'm doing this by hand just so I can make sure I get it right in the threads. The thread holes should line up exactly with these holes. Now we're going to put our little cover on here. Cover is going to go the same way, just like this. Start on the front. So you snap it in. There you go. is to ensure you have all the clips lined up, make sure they all snap in or you're gonna have it just sag a little bit. But other than that, it adds a great added touch as far as to your Telluride and some added light when you're backing up in dark spaces. The exact LEDs that I used in this video, I'll have them down in the description box below. Definitely check those out, guys. And a few other different Telluride videos coming up here next, in addition to the BMW videos that I already produced as of right now. All right, well, big thumbs up on this quick little DIY. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other videos I have on the channel. Might have something out there useful for you. Have a great one. Take care.